जय श्री राम। हम पढ़ रहे हैं सूरा 43 अज जुकरूफ। इसका मतलब है दी ऑर्नामेंट। आयत नंबर 61, एंड हिज सेकंड कमिंग इज ट्रूली ए साइन फॉर दी आर, सो हैव नो डाउट अबाउट इट एंड फॉलो मी, दिस इज द स्ट्रेट पाथ। 62, and do not let the Satan hinder you, for he is certainly your sworn enemy. 63, when Jesus came with clear proofs, he declared, I have come to you with wisdom and to clarify to you some of what you differ about. So fear Allah and obey me. 64, surely Allah alone is my Lord, and the Lord, so worship Him alone. This is the straight path. 65, yet their virtuous groups have differed among themselves about Him. So woe to the wrongdoers when they face the torment of a painful day. 66, are they waiting for the hour to take them by surprise when they least expect it? 67, close friends will be enemies to one another, so on that day accept the righteous. 68, who will be told, O my servants, there is no fear for you today, nor will you grieve. 69, those who believed in our signs and fully submitted to us. 70, enter paradise, you and your spouses rejoicing. 71, golden trays, cups will be passed around to them. There will be whatever the souls desire, and the eyes delight in, and you will be there forever. 72, and the paradise which you will be awarded for what you used to do. 73, there you will have abundant fruit to eat from. 74, indeed the wicked will be in the torment of hell forever. At number 75, it will never be lightened for them, and there they will be overwhelmed with despair. 43 का at number 76, we did not wrong them, but it was they who were wrongdoers. 77, they will cry, O Malik, let your Lord finish us off. He will answer, you are definitely here to stay. 78, we certainly brought the truth to you, but most of you were resentful of the truth. 79, or have they mastered some evil plan? Then we too are surely planning. 80, or do they think that we did not hear their evil thoughts in secret and secret talks? Yes, we do. I and our messenger angels are in their presence recording it all.